Hi, how many of you wake up with an alarm clock? I think so many people. How many of you immediately take action? Very less amount of people. In this video I want to share my first hour after wake up. This 1 hour is very important in my why because this 1 hour I dedicated myself remaining 23 hours in my control. I believe in that. That's why I totally dedicated that 1 hour for my growth. In that 1 hour, what I do is whole 1 hour means 60 minutes. This 60 minutes I divided into three parts. That is, first 30 minutes for my duties, my goals, and second part is for my knowledge. It is 20 minutes and remaining 10 minutes for the devotion. What I do in the first 30 minutes is I write down the goals, means yesterday what I did and today what I want to do, and future for what I want to do. In this 30 minutes, I clearly write down every single point what I did yesterday, because yesterday is the reflection of today. If anything we done mistakes in yesterday, we have the chance to correct it, and in that way we become a better person. And some plans are not done. Why the things are didn't done? What to do? Not to repeat that, means any procrastination, something. After that, I clearly write down today goals. What to do, what are the most important things to my growth, everything. After that, I write down all the goals for my future, means next 1 week, next 12 months, and next 5 years. I wrote down very clearly every day. This is my duties and goals. And second part is part knowledge. I read a book to get a knowledge. Any book, like 2 minutes from the abyss, the secret, the power, the magic, power of silence, whatever books, very amazing books, which develop my personality development, time management, life management, whatever that brings some glory in my life. I write it, I read the book 15 minutes and write down whatever I learned today in that book. And next day I summarize the book, means what I write down. I read it again and restart again. And last part is devotion. It is for 10 minutes. We also strong spiritually. That's why choose to 10 minutes for devotion. I ask I ask a questions what I seeking for, what I looking for. Some questions We don't know answers. This 10 minutes is dedicated for that. After practicing so many days, I come to know that for every question there is an answer. Not outside, within us, inside us. This is for whole 1 hour. I dedicated 1 hour and I got remaining 23 hours in my control. So many people I know, they are telling that I have no time to do exercise, go to gym, read a book, do some activities for my personal growth. I have no time because they are broken people. Broken people have no time to do anything. Every successful person have a time to do something in their life by reading books, developing new cultures and new activities in their life. Successful person never say that I don't have time. Only broken people only say because they're giving time for others. That's why they didn't have time. I request that take control of your 1 hour and remaining 23 hours in your control. Plan your day. If you plan your day will be very clear. Your purpose will be very clear. Then 1 week is very easy for you. You can achieve your goals and you will be happy. And your 1 week is in your hand. Your 1 year will be in your hand. After 5 years will be in your hand. Plan it, write it, and practice it continuously for 21 days. After 21 days, it will become a habit. Without alarm clock, you woke up. Do your activity like as every day. It will change the way you think about your life, every perception of your life. I think it brings some impact on your daily life. I hope. Thank you.